Enjoy the convenience of a wide beam light plus an inspection light in one lightweight, low-profile headlamp. Let's take a hands-on look. The headlamp measures 1.5 inches wide and 7.5 inches in length, but is adjustable and elastic. It weighs 3.2 ounces, so it's very comfortable to wear for extended periods. The included headband adjusts to accommodate most head sizes and fits over hoodies and most hard hats. The LitezAll broadband is 2 lights in 1. The headlamp provides 180 degrees of light with 3 light modes. High is 220 lumens with a 3-hour runtime. Low is 100 lumens with a 5-hour runtime. And Strobe also has a 5-hour runtime. The inspection light provides a directional beam and delivers 80 lumens of light with a 6-hour runtime. Combined light modes include high at 250 lumens with a 2.5-hour runtime, low at 160 lumens with a 3.5-hour runtime, and strobe with a 4-hour runtime. The headlamp is powered by 3 AAA batteries. To access the battery compartment, slide the cover off of the inspection light in the direction of the arrow. Remove expired batteries and replace them with 3 AAA alkaline batteries, following the battery diagram inside. Replace the cover and slide it closed. This headlamp is a great choice on job sites or home projects, especially in situations where front space is limited. It's lightweight and low profile make it ideal for camping, jogging, dog walking, and cycling.